Hi everyone, how are you? Today our class about solving systems of two equations by graphing. And this part one, we're going to try to finish as much we can. Hi again, how are you? We need everyone to be safe. This is very important class in SAT. Before I start, I want to remind you with two things. The first thing, the slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form, which is y equal mx plus b. The slope is m. If the equation given in this form, then m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And remember, m is rise over what? Over run. Okay. I'm going to do each equation in different color and graph it and see the intersection. Now, the first equation has slope equal negative 5 over 3 and the y-intercept equal 1. I'm going to graph it right away. Remember, rise over run. Okay, 1 for this guy. You go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you run to the right. Again, 1 is your starting point, the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it's negative. And to the right is 1, 2, and what? 3. Then we end up here. Then my line will go from here all the way up. Okay, good. We're done with the first one. Let us go to the second equation in blue. What my slope say? Negative 1/3, right? What y-intercept? Is negative 3. Since I have two different slopes, that means I have solution. There's intersection. Negative 3. You rise, you go down 1, and to the right what? 3. Wow, my answer comes direct. Right, safe? This is 3 and what? Negative 4. My solution is 3 and what? Negative 4. I'm going to show it to you in an accurate way. We have the two equations here. We have the two equations here. Y equal negative 5 over 3 x plus 1, which is this one, and the other one, y equal negative 1, 3 x minus 3 minus 3. Okay, wow, negative 3 over 4. You see that? You see this, my answer, this my two lines. We have one intersection. Okay, let us go to the second problem. Okay, again, what my slope? M equal 4, right? Right? Y-intercept is what? 1. Give me color, please. Okay. This is very important. If I have no number, most of the kids they get confused. If you have no number next to the x, the number is 1. Then m equal 1 and y-intercept is what? Negative 2. I can write this as what? Again, 0 and negative 2. Then go to the red. Negative 2 is your starting point, y negative 2. And you go 1 if you have no denominator. Your denominator is 1. Then you go up 1 and to the right 1. We are here. We are at this point. Connect these 2 points. Extend your line. And go to the blue. Slope is, we have no 1. Okay, no denominator. Y-intercept is 1. You go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, let us graph these two equations and see the answer. 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1, and x minus 2. Let us see the actual graph. 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1, and x minus 2. X minus 2. My answer will be what? Negative 1 and what? Negative 1 and negative 3. Negative 1. Yeah, the lines here, we have to extend it. I'm going to fix it. Negative 1 and negative 3. Negative 1 and negative 3. Give me the eraser here. So because the line here is negative 1, and we said 1, the slope is 4 and 1 here, right?
All right.
No, I know that. Okay, this is my answer. Okay, I think that's these two forms we done. Let us go to different form. Let me just solve this problem for you. This is very important for me. The slope here, m equal 4 over 3, right? Y-intercept is what? What y-intercept? Negative 3, right? Then negative 3, you go up 1, 2, 3, and what? 4, right?
Yeah.
And to the right, 1, 2, and what? 3. Okay. Now the most important thing I need you to remember, y equal 1. When we have y by itself a number, we call this what? Horizontal line. My lines are, you go to the y equal 1. You see the y1? You extend your line from both what? Side, and your answer will be what? 3 and what? 1. Your answer is what? 3 and 1. This horizontal line has a slope equal to 0 always. Look here, y equal 5, y equal negative 2, y equal negative 3. All these lines are horizontal lines with the same slope equal what? 0. Good? Good. Now we have x. I'm going to show you something. Ax plus by, the standard form, equals c. My slope in this, give me color here. My slope is, you see the a here? You change the color of the a over what? Over b. Leave this one. X equal negative 2 is a vertical line. Any vertical line has undefined slope. X equal negative 1, x equal 5, x equal 7. All these lines, vertical line, has undefined what? Slope, right? Okay, then x negative 2 vertical line, negative 2 here, right? You go to the negative 2, you extend your line from negative 2 from enter. If you want to graph negative 1, you go to negative 1 up and down. If you want to graph 7, you go to the 7 up and down. Now the question is for the first one. Apply this rule. Apply this rule. Let me take the green. I like the green. My slope for this guy, what my slope? What we have here, 1 with x, negative 1 over what? Negative 1. You see, the x is 1, we take the opposite. The y is negative 1, we leave it, is equal 1. No denominator 1. Now the y-intercept, what the y-intercept say? We take the y, we eliminate the x, we take, give me a different color, blue. Okay, I'm going to show you. The equation is x minus y equal negative 2. For y-intercept, just cancel the x. You don't need it. You have negative y equal 2, then y equal negative 2. Again, to find the y-intercept, You eliminate the x completely. Left negative y equal 2 multiplied by negative y equal negative 2. Then we have negative 2 for y at the slope 1 over 1. You go 1, right? And to the right 1. Then negative 2 and negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 4. Negative 2, this intersection, negative 2 and negative 4. I'm going to show you just this one. X equal x minus y, x minus y equal to and x equal negative 2. X equal negative 2. You see guys, this is my answer. Negative 2 and negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 4. Negative 2 and negative 4. Now, this is the end of today's class. This is the end of today's class. Be safe and wait for the second part of this class.
Sorry.
Have a good day.